Hey besties, so today we will be installing these kinky curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. These are their 20 inches water kinky coily clip-ins, and these clip-ins really surprised me. They definitely were of a higher grade type of hair, and I was really satisfied with how they turned out, the feel of the hair, but they sent a lot of cute little things with the package, including the bonnet, a really nice tangle-free tangle teaser brush, and some extra clips just in case you need them, which is always a good thing. These clip-ins were awesome, and when I say they literally mimicked the exact texture of my hair, that's exactly what I mean. And it's really hard to come across curly wigs and curly clip-ins that actually honor your hair texture. So I was really happy that this did, because it made the look so much better and the process 100% easier. I started off with the 5-comb clip-in, and I just put that at the bottom or the base of my hair. And essentially I just wanted the longer clips to kind of be like 2, skip 1, then another one, and then another one up top. You'll see how I do it. And the combs were really comfortable. I didn't feel any snagging on my hair or any pulling. They were really easy to just clip into my hair, especially at the crown area. If you know, you know. And right here, I'm putting in the 4-comb clip-in just because I kind of want to have like that overlapped look, and also utilizing the different space around my head too, just to make sure nothing is out of place or I don't put more on one side than the other side. And you'll just see me just repeating the process until I have all of the clip-ins where I desire. These clip-ins were super full and dense. I didn't know if this was going to be enough for my head, but the more that I put in, the more I'm like, wow, this is actually giving like full volume, like everything that you will want in a curly wig, you can get them in clip-ins. These were thick and full from top to end. I was so impressed. Even when the actual hair was wet, you still couldn't see the clip-ins or the combs in between certain sections. That's how thick this hair is. I forgot to mention that these clip-ins are 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair, 100 grams per bundle. They're reusable, lightweight, and heat-free, and suitable for any flowy or braided style. And as you can see, it's perfect for that. So I saved this 5-comb clip-in for last because I wanted to put that around the base or the front of my hair, just to give me that no part kind of look, like that flowy hair to the back with baby hairs type of look. Yeah, that. So when you do it this way, it's kind of giving like half wig vibes. So yeah. You can do your clip-ins install however you want, but this is what works for me. And I'm super tender-headed, so these braids were enough. Like, it held everything in place. It didn't make my head too uncomfortable. If you know, you know. So yeah. Next, I'm just saturating the clip-ins a little bit more with some water, separating them, and then I'm gonna go in with some mousse and a gel. I love a mousse and gel combination. The mousse just brings the curls out, and the gel just kind of molds everything together. And I use extreme gel, and extreme gel really helps curls to clump. So I love this combination. And shout out to Mousse Def too, because this mousse is definitely a game changer. It's been a game changer for years. This was honestly the only mousse that gave me top tier hold and shine all in one mousse. Like, Mousse Def definitely goes crazy. So I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side, using my mousse and gel combination just to define those curls a little more and give me that desired kinky curly full look that I want. I want volume, but I also want a little bit more definition because I know as the days go on, the definition will go and the volume will be there. So I just want to make sure for the first few days I have like a little more definition than volume, and this combination definitely did the trick. Next, I'm just going to take that mousse and apply it to the front of my hair along with the gel combination. I wanted to work kind of fast because I didn't want my hair to revert, but this gel works great even when your hair isn't wet, so on dry hair it still will have the maximum hold and definition that you want. My hair is super tricky, especially in the front. A lot of edge controls and pomades and gels just don't last on my edges, but this combination of the mousse def on dry hair along with a little bit of wet line definitely changed the game and made this unit all come together. And y'all, it just was given. The curls were curling, they were looking so pretty. Ugh, I am obsessed with these clip-ins. So we don't disturb that curl pattern too much, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little diffuser piece and just blow dry my hair and get it as dry as possible. I'm making sure that I don't pull any strands or be too rough because I don't want to create any frizz. And after my hair was dry, I just put 2 scrunchies on the side and a little thing for my edges. And this is how I'm sleeping with my hair for the night. Shout out to Curlsqueen for this dope drawstring bonnet too. It kept my hair inside all night. Good morning. And it is the next day and my hair is 100% dry. I think it held up really well under that bonnet, but this is the moment of truth, y'all. Trust in the process and stretching these curls, so let's get to it. I'm just blow drying my roots in sections to stretch out my hair, and it's 100% dry, so you don't have to worry about any frizzing at this part. Just make sure that you don't put the heat to your ends. You just want that volume and that stretch in the root area. And I'm doing this on medium-high heat, so it's a little hot but not too hot, just enough to stretch my hair to the length that I want it. And gently, I'm just going to separate some of the curls because naturally, yes, our curls, our locks, they want to be together. So I'm just separating them and just fluffing the hair a little bit just to get it to how I want it. It's kind of just like going back and forth, back and forth. But y'all, look at the stretch. Girl, this hair is 20 inches, but girl, that stretch was everything. Do not skip this part. Trust me, y'all, you will not regret it. And it only takes about 5 minutes for me to stretch my whole head, especially if I'm in a rush. This is like cake. This is the easiest part of the install. And the hair is just giving my hair. Like, I am so obsessed. Now I'm just taking a pick and lightly picking my hair out at the roots. And I didn't have to do much. It kind of just fluffed right out immediately. This hair was so awesome to work with. I just have no words. But look at my hair. Thank you, Curlsqueen, for sending me this unit. Use the code MAKE to save money off these clip-ins. You can shop this same look by clicking the link in my bio or go into the description box and a link to these exact clip-ins will be right there. Run, don't walk, besties. Y'all need these clip-ins. Girl, see y'all in the next video. Bye.